Hey mga kachibugan! Come and fly Starlux Airlines with me from Cebu to Taiwan for the first time. For this trip, we're flying via Mactan Cebu International Airport, and this is also my first time to fly with Starlux, and to be fair, smoother pud kayo ang ilang check-in process. You can book direct flights from Cebu through starlux-airlines.com and mudagan siya og mga 2 hours and 50 minutes before you get to Taiwan. This is how it looks inside. Very premium dyan ang ilang mga chairs. There's enough legroom. And dili na siya ka maboard sa imong 3 hours nga flight because there are screens in your front nga pwede mo magamit. You can watch movies and series. And there are also headsets available that you can use. Na-amaze po ko guys, kaya naapot sila yung games dere. We only book economy for this flight and bongga na dyan siya guys, kaya naa na siya yung food na included. There's this soft roll nga naay butter. And for the main dish, we got this chicken nga mura og chicken curry. It was so creamy and this was so good. Plus na siya yung fresh fruits on site o kaning murag leche flan. There's also a free drink, pili na lang ka sa available options, and for me, syempre, Coke na jud ta. And aside from this, there's also free tea and coffee. You can also see in your screen kung asa na mo dapit, so you will really know if you're already there. Overall experience with Starlux is very nice. It's a bit pricey, but if nai extra, why not? We'll do it again. And if you're planning to go to Taiwan anytime soon, go and check out Starlux Airlines, and sa sunod, chibuga na pod.